Looking for the best 18-inch laptop but not sure which one actually deserves your money? Today we're ranking 5 popular big screen machines from the most basic to the absolute performance king. Coming in at number 5, we have the Asus Vivobook A18. This is the most affordable and mainstream option on our list, and is clearly designed for productivity and everyday use rather than hardcore gaming. You're getting a large 18-inch display with a tall 16x10 shape, which is fantastic for spreadsheets, browsing, streaming, and even light creative work. The Ryzen 7 processor is more than capable for multitasking, and with up to 32GB of memory and a fast 1TB solid-state drive, it feels snappy in daily use. Compared to the gaming laptops in this list, it's also noticeably lighter, which makes it a bit more practical if you actually plan to move it around the house or office. But here's the catch: it relies on integrated graphics. That means serious gaming, 3D design, or heavy video effects are not its strong suit. When you compare it to the other laptops here with dedicated graphics chips, it's simply in a different league performance-wise. If you want a big screen for work, movies, and everyday tasks without paying for extreme gaming power, this one makes sense. And by the way, you'll find links to all the laptops in this review at the best available prices in the description under the video. Now, if you're ready for more power, let's step things up. At number 4, we move into true gaming territory with the Asus ROG Strix G18. This is where things start to get serious. You're getting a powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with dedicated RTX 5070 graphics. That combination is a huge leap over the integrated graphics in the previous laptop. Games run smoother, creative software feels faster, and the higher resolution display with rich colors makes everything look more immersive. With 32GB of memory and a massive 2TB drive, you've got plenty of room for big games and large projects. However, while it's powerful, it's not the most extreme option on this list. The RTX 5070 is strong, but the next laptops step up to even more powerful graphics chips, so if you're chasing the absolute highest frame rates or the most demanding workloads, there's still room to go higher. This laptop is ideal for gamers who want high-end performance without jumping all the way into the ultra-premium tier. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. Now, let's move into heavier firepower. At number 3, we have the MSI Vector A18. This is where desktop-level performance really starts to show up. The Ryzen 9 processor is built for serious multitasking and heavy workloads, and when you pair it with RTX 5080 graphics, you're looking at a machine that can handle demanding games and creative software with confidence. The 240Hz display is especially impressive for fast-paced games, giving you super smooth motion that competitive players will appreciate. Compared to the Strix, this one steps up in raw graphics power. The trade-off? It's heavier and bulkier. And like most high-performance gaming laptops, battery life drops quickly when you push it hard. Also, while 1TB of storage is fast, it's a bit less generous than the 2TB we saw in the Strix above. If you're a gamer or creator who wants serious performance without going all the way to the most extreme and expensive options, this is a strong middle ground. But if you want even more muscle, keep watching. At number 2, we've got the Alienware Area-51, a true desktop replacement with a bold design and serious hardware. With a Core Ultra 9 processor and RTX 5080 graphics, performance is right up there with the MSI Vector, but this configuration adds a very fast next-generation storage drive and a premium build feel that Alienware is known for. It's the kind of laptop that feels like a statement piece on your desk. Compared to the MSI Vector, it offers more storage in the setup, which is great if you install a lot of large games. Still, it's big, heavy, and not exactly built for life on the go. And while it's extremely powerful, it's not the absolute top-tier graphics option in this ranking. If you want elite performance with a premium brand identity and strong storage capacity, this one is a fantastic choice. But now, let's talk about the most powerful machine on this list. At number 1, taking the crown, we have the MSI Raider 18. This is the powerhouse of the group. You're getting top-tier graphics with the RTX 5090, paired with a high-end Core Ultra 9 processor and a stunning 4K class mini LED display. The screen alone sets it apart, delivering sharper detail and impressive brightness. Add 64GB of memory, and this machine is built for extreme gaming, professional content creation, and heavy multitasking all at once. Compared to every other laptop here, this one simply offers the highest performance ceiling. Of course, that kind of power usually means a higher price and a larger, heavier chassis. It's not meant to be ultra-portable, it's meant to replace a desktop and dominate your desk setup. If you want the absolute best performance and display quality in an 18-inch format, this is the one to beat. If any of these big screen powerhouses caught your attention, check out the links in the description under the video to see the top options and current prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews just like this.